If your toner isn't doing more than just refreshing your skin, it's time for an upgrade. This mist doesn't just balance your pH, it brightens, hydrates, and protects in a single step. Hi, I'm Samantha Garcia, a licensed esthetician based in Pembroke Pines, Florida. Whether I'm working with a client in the treatment room or helping someone build an at-home glow ritual, the pH balance and brightening toner from Herbal Skin Solutions is a non-negotiable. Our skin's pH is what keeps it healthy, clear, and resilient, but it can be thrown off by sweat, water, sun exposure, or harsh products. This toner resets that balance while delivering clinical-grade results. It's infused with a powerful cocktail of vitamin C, hyaluronic acid, botanical brighteners, and antioxidants that not only hydrate, but refine pores, reduce pigmentation, and boost overall luminosity. So let's break down the magic. Kakadu plum extract, rich in bioavailable vitamin C, increases skin brightness by up to 30% in just 30 days. Licorice root extract targets dark spots by inhibiting melanin production safely and effectively. A 4-part hyaluronic acid complex instantly increases hydration by over 150% and reduces moisture loss by 32% within just 1 hour. Ginkgo biloba and white willow bark soothe, refine pores, and support gentle exfoliation. And a clinically studied collagen-boosting peptide reduces wrinkle depth by 24% over time while improving firmness and glow. For estheticians, I use this toner after extractions, after neutralizing peels, and before ultrasonic exfoliation. It brings the skin back to a healthy 5.5 pH and calms inflammation beautifully. It's a staple in every protocol. For clients at home, mist it over clean skin, 3 to 4 sprays over your face, neck, and chest. Use it morning, night, and anytime your skin feels off, like after working out, swimming, or being in the sun. It preps your skin to receive your serums, locks in hydration, and gives you that soft, dewy finish that we all want. This is so much more than just a toner. It's a brightening, balancing, wrinkle-softening hydration boost in a bottle. You can find it at Herbal Skin Solutions or come experience it in my facials at Serenity Skin. Healthy skin starts with balance, and this mist delivers it with results you can feel and see.